Hello and welcome. My name is Shweta Agarwal and I'm the founder of Transcending Beliefs. As a quantum therapist, moksha expert, sacred energy mentor, and a spiritual educator, I am here to guide you on a journey of deep healing and connection with your inner child. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more meditations and healing practices. Now, let's find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit comfortably, back straight, shoulders comfortable. Put your hands on your lap, palms facing upward, and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale very gently. Allow yourself to settle into the present moment, ready to embrace and heal your inner child. Take a moment to visualize yourself as a little baby. You were 2 or 3. See yourself at an age where you were carefree, curious, and full of wonder. Notice the expression on your younger self's face. The way they hold themselves and the energy that you carried then. See yourself playing in a garden, wandering around, bending to touch grass, pluck flowers, run after little butterflies. And see yourself observing them from a great distance. Imagine gently approaching this little version of you. You bend down and squat in front of them. See them looking up at you, recognizing you as the future self. You kneel down and you give them a big hug, offering words of love and reassurance. You are safe. You are loved. I am here to protect you and care for you. Feel the child relaxing in your embrace as they hear your words. And feel the connection deepening with your inner child, moment to moment. Ask your inner child if they are holding on to any pain or sadness. They may share their emotions with you. They may choose to stay quiet. Gently give them a small tiny ball and tell them to put all their pain and sadness inside. As they send all their pain and sadness into the ball becomes black, as if a dark mist is moving from the body of your inner self, your little self, going into that ball. Once all that is meant to be released has been put in that ball, surrender it and throw it up into the hands of the divine. as the ball is thrown, the child becomes happy, cheerful, as if a burden has been taken away, as if the dark mist within has been replaced by a warm golden light of love and peace. With the baby still in your arm, tell them, I honor you. I am healing you. We are whole, loved, and complete. We release all hurts and embrace joy. As both you and your inner child feel peace in that moment, smile at each other, feeling loved, safe, and at peace. See the little you merging gently within your heart, becoming a part of you, cherished and cared for. Get up from wherever you are in that garden and slowly start walking back into your bodies. Move into your bodies from the top of your head and gently ground by commanding yourself 3 times. I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. Now take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Rub your hands together, put them on your eyes, and open your eyes to a whole new and complete reality. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If this helped you connect with your inner child, please like, share, and subscribe to Transcending Beliefs. Remember, healing begins with love. See you next time.